Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? How'd you like the video? Yeah, I'm standing on my tips right now. Here, show them. Is it cool? Does it look cool?
I didn't know you had legs for a second. I was like, where's your legs, Robbie?
I broke my legs. Here, I'm only showing you.
That's me!
The 360s. Comment and subscribe, guys. And comment to Justin Bieber 909. Bridget, just show your face. It's already on you. Okay. See you guys.
My God.